Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Bank app not opening on your phone. First, restart your device, then try opening the app again. Open your recent app list, find the Deutsche Bank app, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, swipe it away, and then close it. Now reopen it. Next, go to your app store, then search for the Deutsche Bank app and update the Deutsche Bank app if available. Make sure your phone has enough storage. Head over to your settings app, go to the general, then iPhone storage and check whether your phone has enough storage or not. No storage can stop from opening. After that, head over to your app and then long press on it, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, head over to your app store again, search for the Deutsche Bank app and reinstall it. Then log in normally. Also, disable VPN if you are using one. That's how to fix Deutsche Bank app not opening. Subscribe for more helpful guides.